inside Mr. Blitztech.
Cheers, and welcome back to another episode of Chensō Man, episode 10. Let's dive into it, man. Let's see what kind of madness we're going to get into today. I was about to say, like, why is she there, like? No.
小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど、公安やめたんだと。
Did you just remember?
俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。
Oh.
ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。でも姫の死んでも。初めて友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに、俺ひどくね。パワーが死んだら泣けるか。泣けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣けねえ。
Oh, wow.
マキマさんが死んだら。
Surely. Probably not, fam. This is going life, innit?
Yeah, but like, I think he just lived in the darkness for so long that.
多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、
Say, this is
3日後
go
には
now.
毎日を過ごせてると思うな。だって朝昼晩食って寝て風呂入れりゃ俺最高だもん。
Makima's probably going to be the last and final boss of this whole thing.
心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。どうも。
They were with Makima, right?
Yeah.
一回うちら出てくる。
なんだお前ら。
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4科を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか。
Wow.
指導。
ホテル事件と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。だから4科を強化しようと思ったんだけど、ほとんど死んじゃったね。
マキマさんが指導してくれるんですか。
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。彼の名前は。
Wait. He's the one who was with the girl years ago.
仲間が死んでどう思った。
別に。
死んだと思った。
The one that sacrificed himself.
復讐したいか。
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
お前たち100点だ。
They'll break their necks again, bro.
殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ。
Ooh, okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Feels like I'm paid for or something. Oh, maybe not. Oh! Bro!
This guy was mad, bro.
Oh my goodness!
Majin の方は反響をくじ。とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、二人に神経はない。
Wowza.
I think obviously someone we haven't seen, but
He's like, I ain't getting finished. Oh, shit. Please.
俺は今日何回殺された
20回以上。
Wow.
Fucking hell.
ルネが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶してるから、正確にはわからん。あのじじい強すぎじゃ。
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえぞ。楽しくなるために頑張ってきたのに、楽しくなくて頑張るのはそうだ。
一緒に逃げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって、今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃねえ。
もっと頭を使え。
But he got knocked out, fam.
今回の敗因は2つ。パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血になることと、デンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
パワーか。もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Oi! He has something against devils for sure.
はい。
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
I was about to say.
At least they tried. It was entertaining.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっていうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。
君は仕事に復帰したらライオンの檻に飛び込むんです。身を守る武器は必要やん。
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。いるんは未来の悪魔。公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。1人は寿命半分、もう1人は料理と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
Jesus.
気に入られれば安く済みますよ。
Get a bargain.
じゃあ、どうぞ。
What kind of bargain is that, bro?
I don't want to go into that room. Feels like a mess.
The things you have to give up to get in contract with that devil. You're mad.
This world is different. You motherfuckers!
Oh, man. Oh,
You motherfuckers.
these lot, man. Oh, but you know what? It's needed after the L they took last 2 episodes, isn't it? Like, it's a must. Yeah, I was saying, you see when Aki's partner, when she had the flashbacks and she was at the graveyard, she was next to a dude talking about her ex-partners and how they died because they cared. I think that was him
Gotcha.
that was talking to her then, yeah.
Okay.
But he's not, bruv. The way he just crushed their necks, I already knew, bruv. Like, he's gonna keep killing them, bruv. He's a madman.
Yeah,
he's a
definitely
madman.
Crazy. Definitely crazy. But yeah, man. Slow episode, but yeah, I like the way they just still like just going along with this thing. A bit mad. It's a bit mad. Like even just finding out, like I said, Aki's partner, how she wanted to get out time ago.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Like, I feel
That's
like
super
something was
interesting.
always there. That's why I thought, oh, now we're going to have like a love interest. I didn't expect her to die. That was just everything just spiraled
In 9 episodes, she was gone.
Gone, bro.
Like half the team was gone.
And now just spiraled up something different. But I kind of like it. It's interesting. Because obviously now, like I said, we're kind of finding out information that probably we never would have got until said relationship would have happened. But yeah, now it's all mad.
Nah, it's definitely is mad. I want to see where Aki takes this information. Like, what is he gonna do with it? Because these two, obviously, he's Wolf. He's not messing with him anymore. They've introduced him to a new devil who's like, yo, you have to give up taste of what your taste senses. It's gonna take half of your life. Take your eyes. Like, bro, so basically you won't be able to what? See, hear, and taste.
Bro.
And half of your life. For what? They only got 2 years left?
That's what I'm saying.
And see, and them revealing the letter to us, what's Aki going to do, bro? Because he just walked in. Is he gonna be like, no, I'm out?
No, he's taking it.
He's taking that.
Yeah. Like I said, like, I think that's why he asked for 2 years, because like he's trying to see how much time I guess he has to get his job done.
And his job is literally just to kill gun devil, yeah.
Once that was done, like I said,
he's like, alright, cool, I've fulfilled my life. Because these lot took everything from me.
Yeah, is
so
it?
The only thing I have left is
family.
revenge.
That's it. Yeah, so
Alright, cool,
it is
cool.
a medal for him. So, well, yeah, the life expectancy of a hunter is not very long. Unless you're like that smart brother and you quit.
Yeah, he was like, nope,
I'm out.
Yeah.
And I want to see the chick as well.
Which one? Oh, the one with the knife? The one that...
Yeah, the one with the quite... Quite one with a lot of agility, basically.
Yeah, I mean, she might be doing her own thing, as in like training and stuff. Because the way Makima was like, yo, you two get Aki, you take these two and train them. Power definitely is training, bruv. She does nothing. She's not smart. Like, bruv, how are you gonna plan all of that and drain yourself out of blood? Bruv, you should at least have
price, bruv. Like, how many that was like? Oh, but they say 5 bottles. That's 2 liters each.
Yeah. And then she's still through the spear. You're telling me you couldn't have thought of having a bottle to yourself? Like, what?
Bro, yeah.
You did smart up, Makima, man.
Yeah, she's mad.
It's mad. But you know what's madder? You jump in the comment section below and let us know your thoughts on today's episode. And we shall see you at the next episode. I'm Raven your GS.
So, Mr. Blitztech.
Peace.
What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing except for the war. Too many people died in this land. All that pain forced me to grow up.
What does that mean?
That even innocent, foolish children grow up in the face of pain.